Hi, my name is Carlea Victory, and I'm here to talk about our chlorine-resistant rash guards. For the past couple of weeks, we've been doing a couple of experiments. What we've done in this experiment is we have taken two rash guards of the same print color. These are both navy rash guards, both brand new, and we've submerged them in heavily chlorinated water. And what happened is we get reactions like this, where the regular rash guard, either poly lycra or nylon lycra, it will heavily fade in color, and it also hurts you start losing a lot of its stretch. So you see the chlorine resistant is just designed to hold up really well, to be very durable and long lasting. We did other experiments. This used to be this. You can see the color just completely leaches out of it. You actually got a little bit of blue still left in it, and it does not hold up. So if you need something that's going to be durable and will stand the test of time, our chlorine resistant rash guards are probably going to be just the right fit for you.